10 secret Mercedes functions only known. 1% of drivers. Most Mercedes owners believe they know their car inside out. They know the badge, the luxury, the power, the way it turns heads at traffic lights. But here is the truth that surprises even long-time drivers. Modern Mercedes vehicles hide layers of intelligent features so subtle that nearly 99% of owners never activate them. These are not flashy marketing gimmicks. They are engineered details buried inside menus and settings, quietly waiting to transform the entire driving experience. Today, this is not about horsepower or top speed. This is about the hidden side of Mercedes that changes comfort, control, and everyday convenience in ways most drivers never discover. Keyless. Go automatic window and sunroof. Close. Imagine walking away from the car after parking and suddenly remembering the windows are slightly open. Most people panic and rush back. What many Mercedes drivers do not realize is that models equipped with keyless Go allow all windows and even the sunroof to close automatically by simply holding the lock button on the key fob or touching the door handle sensor for a few seconds. It feels small until the first time unexpected rain starts falling. The system communicates with multiple control modules at once, sealing the cabin in seconds. The challenge is that this feature is often disabled by default in certain regions, and so owners assume it does not exist. Attention Assist Sensitivity Adjustment. Most drivers know Mercedes has Attention Assist, the system that detects drowsiness. What very few know is that its sensitivity can actually be adjusted in many models. Hidden inside the vehicle assistant settings, drivers can choose how early the system warns them. The car studies steering patterns, pedal input, and subtle corrections over time to build a behavioral baseline. If driving style begins to drift from that pattern, the system suggests a break. Some drivers think it is random because they never personalize it. Once tuned properly, it becomes surprisingly accurate. Long highway drives feel different when the car is actively analyzing fatigue patterns in the background. It is not intrusive, it is intelligent. Adaptive High Beam Assist plus customization. Mercedes lighting technology is already advanced, but Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus goes far beyond simple automatic high beams. In compatible models, the system actively masks sections of the light beam to avoid dazzling oncoming traffic while maintaining maximum illumination elsewhere. What most drivers miss is that the activation threshold and behavior can be fine-tuned through the lighting menu. The system uses cameras to detect vehicles ahead and calculates beam distribution in real time. The first time it operates on a dark rural road, meaning the precision feels almost unreal. Remote engine start via Mercedes. Owners of newer models connected to Mercedes. Often overlook remote engine start functionality available through the app. From inside a home or office, the engine can be started remotely, allowing climate control to precondition the cabin. In extreme heat or cold, this completely transforms daily routines. The system communicates securely with the vehicle using encrypted signals, ensuring both access control and status monitoring. Many drivers assume remote start requires an aftermarket installation, not realizing it is already integrated at factory level in compatible markets. The practical impact is enormous. Air Balance Cabin Fragrance System. Certain Mercedes models include the Air Balance package, a feature rarely discussed yet deeply immersive. Hidden within the glove compartment is a fragrance atomizer that disperses subtle scents into the cabin ventilation system. This is not a basic air freshener. It integrates with the climate control system to maintain consistent diffusion levels. Drivers can adjust intensity directly from the infotainment display. Over time, the scent becomes associated with the driving experience itself, subtly enhancing perceived comfort and refinement. Many owners never notice the compartment or understand how to replace fragrance cartridges. Dynamic Select Individual Mode. Deep customization. Most drivers switch between comfort and sport modes and stop there. What they miss is the individual configuration inside Dynamic Select. This mode allows independent adjustment of steering weight, throttle response, suspension behavior, transmission shift points, and even engine sound in certain AMG variants. The car becomes fully customizable rather than preset. The reason many never use it is because the menu depth can feel overwhelming at first glance. But once explored, it reveals a level of personalization few brands offer. Steering can remain light for city driving, while throttle sharpness increases for responsiveness. Hold function for effortless traffic. Stops. In heavy traffic, constantly holding the brake pedal becomes tiring. Mercedes includes a hold function that activates by pressing the brake pedal firmly while stationary. A simple message appears on the instrument cluster confirming activation. The vehicle remains stationary without the driver keeping their foot on the brake. Pressing the accelerator releases it instantly. Many drivers accidentally activate it once and never realize what happened. Others never discover it at all. In daily urban commuting, this feature dramatically reduces fatigue. Or magic vision control, intelligent wiper system, traditional windshield. Washer systems spray fluid onto the glass before wiping, often obstructing visibility momentarily. Mercedes Magic Vision Control integrates washer fluid delivery directly through the wiper blades. Fluid is distributed precisely along the blade surface and applied exactly where needed. The result is a cleaner windshield with minimal splash and improved visibility during cleaning. Heated blade channels also prevent freezing in colder climates. The engineering behind this system reflects attention to microscopic detail, yet most owners never realize their car uses this advanced setup. Easter egg. Ambient lighting. Animations. Ambient lighting in modern Mercedes models is widely appreciated, but hidden animations and dynamic effects often remain undiscovered. Certain models allow color transitions linked to temperature adjustments or driving modes, or increasing cabin temperature can shift lighting toward warmer tones, while cooling can trigger blue hues. Some models also offer multicolor flowing effects within the dashboard and doors. Accessing these requires navigating deeper into the infotainment customization menus. When configured intentionally, the cabin environment responds dynamically to driver input, or hidden service menu and digital instrument. Custom views. Behind the standard digital instrument cluster lies a hidden service and diagnostic menu accessible through specific steering wheel button combinations. While primarily designed for technicians, it reveals detailed vehicle data including real-time voltage, temperature readings, and system status indicators. Additionally, many drivers never explore alternative instrument cluster layouts available within display settings. Progressive, classic, and sport themes drastically change information hierarchy and visual presentation. The ability to rearrange displayed data allows drivers to prioritize navigation, efficiency metrics, or performance information. Mercedes engineering is layered, intentional, and often quietly brilliant. The difference between an average ownership experience and an exceptional one usually comes down to knowledge. Exploring these hidden features transforms the vehicle from impressive to deeply personal. If even one of these functions was new information, imagine what else is waiting inside the settings menu. Share which feature surprised you the most, subscribe for deeper automotive insights, and stay connected for more discoveries that most drivers never uncover.